Meaning of hesitant.
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 Hesitant. The word hesitant means to show reluctance or uncertainty when making a decision or taking action. It can also suggest doubt, indecision, or a lack of confidence. When someone is hesitant, they may pause frequently, withdraw from situations, or express concern before moving forward. This can be due to various reasons such as fear of failure, lack of knowledge, or insecurity. Being hesitant can result in missed opportunities, delayed progress, and a sense of frustration. It is important to identify the root cause of hesitancy and take steps to overcome it to achieve personal or professional growth.